mathematics to maths lit, and we are declining in terms of maths participation at grade 12, 11. My encouragement is for educators to go back and look at grade 9 this year. I want to believe that we are not late. Grade 9 learners have to make their subject choices as they move to FET band. That is the stage where we need to encourage most of our learners to take pure mathematics, because we dropped the ball there, where we only prioritize few learners to take pure mathematics. So ke njengoba nikhona la nizobuyela niye kothisha omkhulu benu niyobacela ukuthi cha, as KZN we want to reclaim our position as the #1 province in terms of maths participation, as well as a good performance in mathematics. As we speak, the overall performance of Umgungu district sits at 89.3%, and they are a district which attained position 6 in the province. But when you look at their performance in mathematics, we can see that there is improvement. But when it comes to performance, yes, we are not there. But in terms of participation, there is improvement. Then I think with the strategies that we have discussed today, we will be able to improve the performance. And I must be quick to indicate that in terms of the team's reports, there is an indication that the decline starts at the senior phase, which is grade 7, 8, and 9. So we need to do an introspection and check, where are we going wrong? Why is performance of learners in mathematics declining in grade 7, 8, and 9, and it starts to pick up at the level of grade 10? There is a possibility that at the level of secondary schools, those educators who are teaching mathematics tend to focus on FET grades and use the time for grade 8 and 9 to catch up with senior phase, we FET band. I think we need to change that approach, and I'm happy that even though we no longer have subject advisors in mathematics, they are very few, but the maths subject advisors that we have at a provincial level as well as at a district level, they have tried to capacitate our departmental heads to be strong in supporting educators who are teaching mathematics. And it is a fact that the departmental heads are the specialists within the school. So if we do not strengthen their capacity to support curriculum delivery and management at the level of the school, then I think our performance will decline as a province. We are not going to be filling posts at any time now. I think we are now, this is the 6th year where the province is not filling any vacancies. And currently we have 2 districts which have acting district directors, that is Oku and Pinetown. And the provincial treasury said that there are no funds to fill those vacancies. So those colleagues are going to continue acting. So can you imagine when the province cannot allow the Department of Education to fill district director posts, what then becomes of a subject advisor post? What becomes of a circuit management post? So obviously it's clear that our energy should be focused on the school management teams.